Stress adaptation. Stress is a part of life. Everyone feels stress at one time or another. The experience of stress and the way one responds to it are unique to everyone. The process of responding to stress is consistent and dynamic and is essential to the person's physical, emotional, and social well-being. When person is in a threatening situation, immediate response occur. These responses are often involuntary or called coping response. The change that take place as a result of the response to a stressors is adaptation. Can you define stress adaptation? It is a concept that stress depletes the reserve capacity of individual, thereby increasing their vulnerability to health problems. Hensley's General Adaptation Syndrome, JAS. 3 stages: alarm, resistance, and exhaustion. His model states that an event that threatens an organism well-being leads to 3-stage bodily response. Look at this graph, stress curve and PACES, General Adaptation Syndrome. Y-axis resistance, X-axis time. Good health in homeostasis. In first stage is alarm stage, second resistance stage, third exhaustion stage. It's a stage panic zone, breakdown, burnout, bad stress. A detail going on. Alarm. Upon encountering a stressor, body reacts with fight or flight response and symptomatic nervous system is activated. Hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline released into the bloodstream to meet the threat or danger. The body's resources now mobilized. Next, resistance. Parasympathetic nerve system returns many physiological functions to normal levels while body focus resources against the stressor. Blood glucose levels remain high, cortisol and adrenaline continue to circulate at elevated levels, but outward appearance of organism seems normal. Increase HR and PP breathing, body remains on red alert. Next stage, exhaustion. If stressor continues beyond body's capacity, organism exhausts resources and become susceptible to disease and health. Hensley's theory profoundly influences the scientific study of stress. Stress is a state produced by a change in the environment, and the nature of the stressor is variable. The individual appraises and cope with the stress to reach the goal of adaptation. The process is called coping with the stress, and it is achieved through a compensatory process with physical and psychological components. Factors affecting stress adaptation. The source of stress: developmental stress, situational stress. Next, type of stressor experienced: physiological stressor and psychological stressors. Next, personal factors: income, age, occupational, lifestyle, customs, etc. Types of stress adaptation. Physiological adaptation: autonomic nervous system. The endocrine system primarily controlled homeostasis mechanism. Self-regulatory, occur without conscious thought, usually function to correct abnormal conditions. Short-term, long-term stress can threaten the physiological homeostasis, result in illness. Next, psychological adaptation. Each person needs to feel loved, a sense of belonging, to feel safe, secure, and to have self-esteem. When these needs are not met or threat to need fulfillment occurs, homeostatic measures in the form of coping or defense mechanisms help return the person to emotional balance. Thank you. Have a nice day.